Now let's see the next method of integration. It is called as integration by partial fractions. When we have the ratio of two polynomials in the form of p of x by q of x, where p of x comma q of x are polynomials in x and q of x is not equal to 0, we are going to apply this method. I'll take an example and explain you. Now assume that we have to find out 1 by x into x plus 1 dx. Now just try to make it into two parts, that is nothing but integration by partial fractions. Okay, so try to split it in such a way that integration will be easy. So how are we going to do it is, try to write 1 by x into x plus 1 as a by x plus b by x plus 1. Now you find out what could be that a and what could be that b, right? So just compare it. So if you cross multiply it, it is going to be a into x plus 1 and b into x. Alright, so I'm just trying to merge them by taking the LCM, right? Now it is a into x plus 1 and b into x. Now this side is going to be 1, therefore 1 is going to be equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x, right? From that if you solve it, a is going to be 1 and b is going to be minus 1. Therefore this entire function can be written as 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. So 1 by x, we know that integral 1 by x is log x and integral 1 by x plus 1 is going to be log x plus 1. So whenever you have this 1 by x and this way, you have to apply, in case of log you have to apply mod. Just remember this rule. Whenever you are going to apply this, you are going to write this as integral 1 by x, you have to say log x, log mod x. Okay, and then you have to add a constant c there. Got it? So this is the way we are going to do it by partial fractions, which means if you have a fraction, we are going to split it into two fractions and solve it. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.